Alarming, that's for sure. Now, 3 Connecticut hospitals are once again tightening their restrictions and banning visitors as hospitalizations rise. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Mike Savino is right outside St. Francis Hospital in Hartford tonight. Mike has more details on if other hospitals could start following suit. Mike.
Mark, that is entirely possible. I was talking with a doctor here at St. Francis just a little bit ago, and he was saying that, as those numbers show, they're starting to see hospitalizations on the rise. And really, they're just catching up with where some of those numbers were from 2 weeks ago, because that's how long it can take. So some of these steps are really just about trying to stay ahead of those numbers and containing the virus.
We understand this is very difficult for families and loved ones.
3 hospitals are shutting out visitors, pointing to the spreading COVID-19 as the reason. Trinity Health of New England made the change at all 5 of its hospitals, including St. Francis in Hartford and St. Mary's in Waterbury. So did Yale-New Haven Hospital.
Really, over the weekend, we saw a significant spike in our admission.
Connecticut has seen a surge in positive coronavirus cases in recent weeks, and now hospitalizations are catching up.
The admissions now are a reflection of where we were in terms of COVID cases 2 to 4 weeks ago in Connecticut.
But those hospitals do have exceptions. Yale-New Haven is allowing visitors for maternity and child patients, as well as for end-of-life, patients with disabilities, and the neonatal ICU. Other hospitals aren't following suit yet.
It's not just about the science and the medicine about it. It's about individuals, patients, and feelings and their families as well.
Doctors say contact with families does help patients do better, but Hartford Healthcare, the state's second biggest network, does have different rules for each hospital. As the coronavirus continues to spread, it's best to check in with the hospital before visiting.
I'll be honest with you, this generally could change by the end of today.
And those 3 hospitals say that while they're keeping visitors out in most cases, it's important that patients still go if they need care. One of the doctors told me that we saw a rise in non-COVID related deaths as well this year because patients were staying away from the hospital. So they say if you do feel like you need care, please do go and seek it. Live from Hartford, Mike Savino, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.